as we all know, our heart is enclosed in a sac. We call that sac a pericardium. In this pericardium is made up of two layers, fibrous and serous layer. Fibrous layer is the outer covering and serous is the inner covering. This pericardium encloses the heart and the great vessels. During this enclosure, it forms certain sinuses. We will see these sinuses. First, we will see the transverse sinus. This transverse sinus is the space between the arterial end of the heart and venous end of the heart. What are the arterial end? This is the aorta and this is the pulmonary trunk, and we can see 4 pulmonary veins here, right? And a superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. This is the superior vena cava and this is the inferior vena cava and this is the superior vena cava, right? So the 4 pulmonary veins, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, these are the venous component, and this is the arch of aorta and the pulmonary trunk. This is the arterial component, right? So when the pericardium encloses the heart, it also encloses the root or basal part of the great vessels. So the space which is located between the arterial and venous end, this is the space of the transverse sinus, right? Between the aorta and pulmonary trunk, anteriorly and posteriorly, all the venous components of the heart, right? This is the transverse sinus. We can see in from front also. This we will pass our forceps behind the arch of aorta and pulmonary trunk and anterior to the all the 4 pulmonary veins, and we will see this is the space of transverse sinus. Then now we will see the oblique sinus. Our heart is located in the body cavity like this. We will go into the oblique sinus, we will lift the apex of the heart like this, and we will go on the base of the heart. There our hand will encounter some hindrance. This hand is in the oblique sinus. Now let's see where this oblique sinus is located. This is located between the 4 pulmonary veins. These are the 4 pulmonary veins, 1, 2, 3 and 4, the 2 right pulmonary veins and the 2 left pulmonary veins, and this is the inferior vena cava. So the space between the 4 pulmonary veins and inferior vena cava, this is the space of the oblique sinus, and it is between the left pulmonary vein, the lower arm of the J, then the upper arm, the bigger arm of the J. This is the space of the oblique sinus.